Now the third category of terrestrial plants is plants that grow on marshy land. In marshy areas, the soil is salty, sticky and clayey. Children, you must have heard in Hindi that daldal. Okay, so this marshy area is like daldal, where if a person goes, he will go on going inside the soil. Okay, one person, if it gets stuck in the marshy area, cannot come out on its own. So this kind of area is called marshy area, that is daldal. The roots of the plants that grow in this region do not get enough air to breathe because the soil is clayey, and you must have studied about clayey soil in class 3. So clayey soil does not have enough space between the grains of the soil to breathe. So there is no air in that soil. जिसको चिकनी मिट्टी कहते हैं. Clay is चिकनी मिट्टी जिसके टॉयज और गमले बनते हैं. So that soil is not good for plants. So in this region, there is clayey soil. So that is why the plants cannot breathe. Their roots cannot breathe. They do not get air. So some roots with small pores at the tip come out from the soil and water to breathe. These roots are called breathing roots. The trees that grow here are called mangroves. So these trees, you can see there are so many trees. I've put pictures of two more trees for you to understand what kind of roots they have. You can see this, there is water filled and there is daldal below this marshy area, and this is in Sundarbans also. This kind of marshy area is found, and you can see these are all mangrove trees. Okay, these are all mangroves, and this is a variety which is known as Heritira or Sundari, and you can see the roots coming out of the water to breathe. In this also you can see so many roots coming out of the soil to breathe. Here also you can see these roots with pores, all are coming out for breathing. So this kind of trees are called mangroves, and they grow in marshy area or marshy land. Now plants that grow in hot and damp area. This is another variety. Hot and damp, where the weather is very hot, and damp means humidity, with lot of humidity. Humidity मतलब उमस, जैसे आजकल का weather है ना, there is lot of dampness in the weather. So hot and damp areas, plant that grow there are rubber, tea, sugarcane. All these plants grow in the hot and damp areas. Trees that grow in hot and damp regions have lots of leaves. These trees have a crown with bright green clusters of leaves. Rubber, pepper, coffee, tea, and sugarcane are examples of such plants. So you can see with bright green clusters means गुच्छा, झुंड में. जैसे ये देख रहे rubber plant. This rubber plant you can see their leaves are in clusters. Clusters means group. So they are found in groups in all these plants. Tea leaves also are found in the clusters like this. I have added 2-3 more pictures for you to see. I will show you just now. You can see these are the tea gardens of Assam. See how beautiful they look, and tea grows on the hill slopes. So these are the areas, Assam areas, where tea leaves are grown. You can see that women are plucking tea leaves and taking them to the factory to get the tea leaves packed and dried. And this is rubber plant. You can see how rubber is collected. I have especially put this picture for you to see how this rubber is collected from the stem. This bark is cut, and this ridge is made, and then there is a cup here. You can see all the latex or this white liquid that is flowing out of the bark. It is collected in this bowl, and then it goes fall into the next bowl. Like this, many bowls are there, and they keep on filling, and the next day farmer comes and collect all this latex. This is called latex, this white liquid, and then they give it to the factories, and there the erasers or rubber, different types of tubes, all that are made out of rubber. So this rubber plant is very useful, and this grows in hot and damp area. And this sugar cane also, you can see sugar cane also grows in hot and damp area. Okay children. Plants that grow in plains, this is the last category of terrestrial plants. You know children, this Lucknow, our city, comes under the plains. We are in the plain region, so all the trees you see around you are the trees that grow in the plains. Trees that grow in plains have lots of branches. These trees can survive in very hot climate but shed their leaves during winters. When winters come, these trees shed their leaves. Shed मतलब गिरा देते हैं, पतझड़ जिसे कहते हैं. These trees are called deciduous trees. Mango, shisham, peepal, banyan, and sal are examples of such plants or trees. So deciduous trees, you should know what are deciduous trees. They are those trees that shed their leaves during winters. You can see here examples of deciduous or this trees that grow in plains. Mango, people, mango is here also. Mango, you can see ripe mangoes here hanging. Then banyan tree is bargat ka ped. Sal, then shisham tree. Shisham is tree is used for making furniture. Very good tree, very good wood this shisham tree has got. Okay, so these were the different types of terrestrial plants. Okay, now for aquatic plants, you will watch the next video for aquatic plants. I am giving you two videos today. So watch that video after this. So you will know what kind of aquatic plants are there and we will read in detail about them. Okay, children.